Morning guys, it's currently 10:30 a.m. Actually I woke up at 7, but I really did not feel like waking up, so I just stayed in bed. Oh ya Allah, malas ya.
Masih dulu. 1, 2, 3. Gula shot. Thank you. Okay,
For your first
so
experience.
kita on the way pergi STAC building untuk kita nak pergi kat bus. Aku takut.
Kanan.
Hi guys. Ui, the fuck. Hi guys. So, kita dekat STAD building. Kita tengah tunggu, aku tak tahu lah bus ke van, tapi tengah tunggu transportation pergi ke sana. To be honest, benda ni scary, tapi sebab aku dah sign up. So, wish me luck. Wish us luck. Just KO. We are going the bus. Syaz dengan ML.
20 minutes later.
Makan. Ni Iris.
Aku rampas kawan kau.
Hi guys, so we are going to be in our group soon. Tak buat vlog ah. Positif ada. Asmara Dana. So aku dapat zapi Melayu. Aku tak nak zapi Melayu, tapi aku dapat zapi Melayu. Tak apalah. We did not stick together, but it's okay.
Tangan, pandang, tangan, pandang.
Hi guys. First day done. Dapat karipap. Nampak tak? Cute. Dah boleh masuk. Balik. Balik guys, balik.
Day 2.
Hi guys, second day of training. Okay, lagi sebelum nak pergi training, kita ada nak pergi sign up club dulu. Club apa?
RenTak MMU.
RenTak, okay.
Kau nak masuk satu tu je ke?
Tak lah, nak tengok dulu lah apa ada.
Masuklah swimming club.
Tengoklah nanti kita buat vlog masa kita pergi register tu, okay? Okay, love you guys. Mana Syaz ni?
Later that same evening.
Tengah tunggu bus. Ya, aku speed up part ni. Nanti kau macam ni. Din, din, din. Second day. Aku tukar lagi. Aku kan semalam aku cakap aku zapi Melayu kan. Aku tukar ikan dalam kolam pula. Aduh, aku memang replacement. Aku second choice orang. Hi guys, so we are done with second day.
Day 3.
Welcome to third day of training. I'm basically putting myself in a situation where I want to jump off. Hi guys, third day almost done.
448. Okey, jom ikan dalam kolam.
Ayah.
Ya, duduklah macam penat. Duduk je macam biasa.
Guys, so kita on the way balik MMU. Mana jam aku, mana jam. So esok start pagi. Stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog.
Tomorrow.
Fourth day of training. It's raining outside and I'm not supposed to talk loud. First time bukan nasi guys. Mihon.
Tahu ayah cakap nanti dia planning balik.
Okay, bye.
Weh, time aku balik.
Kita menari apa guys? Kori-kori. Sebenarnya akak tu cakap dia nak keluarkan kita orang, tapi kita orang never give up guys.
Never. We did.
Never give up. Okay, so penat no?
Actually, I want to
Sakit kaki aku, ya Allah.
dance like the IB1 yang lompat-lompat tu. Yeah.
Memang tak lah. Yang tung 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 tung. Mestilah best, tapi kita tak mampu. Okay, bye. Bersihnya kulit aku, Masya Allah.
Hi. 1, 2, 3, 4 sempat konsep.
Almost done guys. Dah nak siap. Final medley je tinggal. Tinggal final medley dengan diorang badal sila lah.
Assignment aku macam mana? Pinjam beg boleh?
Boleh.
Belakang.
Habis. Fourth day habis. Fourth day habis. And then apa?
Keempat Khamis.
Habis.
Our fourth training is finished.
Ya Allah, kulitku as. Masya Allah. Okay, bye.
Alhamdulillah. Bye.
24 hours later.
Fifth day of training. I woke up late. I was supposed to be there at 7:30. It's 7:48, I think. Yeah. Hari ni kita pakai baggy. Okay, bye.
3 hours later.
Day of training dekat IB has done. Habis.
The next day.
I don't know what day of training. I think it's the 5th day or the 6th. Astaghfirullahaladzim. Hari ni kita orang training dekat DTC instead of IB. I don't know why. Tapi yeah. Let's go. RenTak.
Grup punya projek tu.
Guys, hari ni training hari ke berapa tak ingat. Tapi oh my god, Sarah, I'm posting. Okay, udah. Tak start training lagi, Cik Uda. Tak start training. Weh, kita sampai sini 9.30 dah pukul 11 tak start. 9.30 2 jam. MMU padu, MMU padu. MMU padu. So Gaji. Wow, preparation. Woo, okay, kita ke Malaysia. Tidur, sian dia.
Much later.
Ngantuknya, bosan. Good night guys, I'm going to take a small nap on the floor. You want to see my view now? This is my view. Oh, ada kaki. What the fuck? But I'm going to take a little nap while I can, because like, it's so tiring. Okay, bye. Tadi pukul 9.30 pagi, sekarang dah pukul 8 malam. Oh my god. Hi guys. So it's Nanti kena
8
compare.
p.m. and we're still not
Nanti
done.
pergi Yusha sikit, beli Isma.
Irene is here. Irene is here, guys. After a whole day,
Irene je.
baru sampai. Habis. It's currently 11:40.
Lepas semalam call.
Dah habis. Sekarang kita orang dua pergi 7E sebab lapar no. Dah nak ke 12.
Ini.
Anak dara tak boleh balik lambat tapi
Bukan dengan boyfriend aku tau. Dengan member.
okay, bye.
Ini baru beri.
See you tomorrow.
The next day.
Last day of training for rehearsal today. But rehearsal start semalam dengan Tok T. Let's get this shit done. Okay, bye.
8:01 p.m.
Hi everyone. Cantiknya makeup aku. Garangnya makeup aku. Tadi video gila. Ni video gila. Kita ada ni.
Ramai lagi.
Aku rasa macam semua sama shade tu. Oh ya. Damn. Gatal balik aku.
Later.
Dia kena marah. Hi everyone. For rehearsal dan tomorrow show. Tomorrow show. Gelap lah tapi. Tadi saya kena marah. Dia pun kena. Kak tu pandang je aku. Padahal dua orang yang salah tapi dia pandang aku. Tapi tak apa, aku reda.
Itu.
Aku rasa macam ni. Syaz.
Dia point out nama kau. Aku macam, oh yo. Tengok makeup kita orang lawa.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Show day. Hi everyone. So, show day has come. So, I'm trying to keep my skin clear. My hair dah buat dye, buat wawal sebab I tak nak rushing nanti. Tidak. Okay, see you soon. Untuk vlog. Saya buat sanggul dia orang. Tengok tunjuk sikit sanggul pusing-pusing. So, nanti saya buatkan yang dia orang juga. Penat lah. Ya Allah, tak buat apa-apa dah penat.
Opening night.
Syah. Wish us luck. Cantik kan? Takut sebenarnya tapi it's okay, we got this. Okay, bye. Have a good show. Have a good show. Have a good show.
8 hours later.